If you've ever wondered whether a premium electric toothbrush is actually worth it, let me share my experience with the Oral-B IO Series 10. I picked it up during a discount, and after using it daily, I can honestly say it feels like a big step up compared to regular brushes. The first thing you notice is how smooth and powerful it feels. Every brushing session genuinely leaves my teeth feeling polished, almost like I just left the dentist. The built-in pressure sensor is surprisingly useful too. It lights up when you push too hard and even adjusts the motor so you don't overdo it. For someone like me who tends to brush a little aggressively, that feature alone is a big plus. Another thing I really enjoy is the smart charging stand. It gives instant feedback on timing and coverage without having to constantly check the app on your phone. The battery charges quickly, in about 3 hours, which is convenient when traveling or if you forget to plug it in overnight. Now, it's not perfect. The battery life is advertised as 2 weeks, but in reality, it sometimes feels shorter. Replacement heads are also on the expensive side and only work with the IO series. And of course, the price of the toothbrush itself is high, even with discounts. Overall though, this brush delivers excellent performance and makes daily brushing feel premium. If you enjoy smart gadgets and want the cleanest feeling possible, it's worth considering. I'd give it an honest 8.5 out of 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to check the latest deal.